Understanding Plant Trellis, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, plant trellis. This term might be new to some of you, and it's definitely a great addition to your vocabulary, especially if you're interested in gardening or outdoor design. Let's dive in and discover what a plant trellis is all about. A plant trellis is a structure used in gardens and outdoor areas. It's typically made of wood, metal, or plastic and serves as a support for climbing plants and vines. Trellises can come in various shapes and sizes, often featuring a lattice or a mesh pattern. They are not only functional but also add an aesthetic element to gardens, patios, and outdoor spaces. The primary use of a plant trellis is to support climbing plants. Plants like ivy, roses, or grapevines grow upwards and need something to cling to. A trellis provides this support, allowing these plants to grow healthily and beautifully. Additionally, trellises can be used to create natural screens or dividers in gardens, offering privacy and enhancing the overall look of the space. There are several types of plant trellises, each with its unique design and purpose. Common types include wall-mounted trellises, attached to walls, perfect for small spaces. Freestanding trellises, placed on the ground, ideal for large gardens. Arched trellises, arch-shaped, often used as attractive garden entries. Each type serves different needs and can be chosen based on the garden's layout and the gardener's preferences. Using a plant trellis has multiple benefits. Supports healthy plant growth, ensures plants grow upwards and receive ample sunlight. Enhances garden aesthetics, adds a decorative element to outdoor spaces. Maximizes space, especially beneficial in small gardens where ground space is limited. I hope this video has helped you understand what a plant trellis is and how it can be used in gardens. Remember, adding a trellis to your garden not only supports your plants but also brings a touch of beauty to your outdoor space. Happy gardening, and see you in the next video.